Welcome back to Go With A Bow. Thanks for tuning in. A couple of weeks ago I created a video about my mobile hunting and my climbing setup. There was a lot of interest in the safety hitch that I use on top of my Mad Rock. This is really important because having a Mad Rock is super convenient for climbing and for rappelling, but being able to back that up from a safety perspective is paramount. So I'm just going to show you what I use and how I do it in detail. It's super easy. You'll have the GoPro footage so you can see how I'm doing it directly. And again, I would highly recommend that you get a Prusik cord like this and stick this on and do this every time you hunt. I put this safety hitch on top of my Mad Rock before I leave the ground every time I climb, and it doesn't come off until I get back down to the ground. So again, if anything were ever to happen with the actual Mad Rock device itself, I've got this backup. The other thing that I really like about the knot that I'm going to show you is it can be broken under pressure. And so in a scenario where something did happen to the Mad Rock, a lot of backup hitches or Prusiks, once your weight is in them, you can't move them. You're going to be stuck, and there's a whole nother set of issues and danger hanging from a tree not being able to get down. This hitch that I'm going to show you today can be moved down the rope under pressure and still maintain that friction that you need. So here to share it with you. So what I have, and I'm going to put a link to this exact cord in the video description, but this is an 8mm Prusik cord. It is 30 inches long. I got this particular one off Amazon. I'm sure you can get them all over the place. It already has 2 sewn in loops on the end. Just a simple little piece of cord here. So now I've got my rope hooked up here on this pole, and you can see right now I'm just latched into my Mad Rock, right? So this thing can move up and down. Everything is working as it should. What I want to do with this cord is I want to back this thing up in case something were to break or to go wrong while I'm climbing or while I'm up in the tree. So that said, it is really, really easy to do. So all you're going to do here is you're going to take your cord, you're going to put this cord in front of the rope here, and you're just going to start wrapping. Now notice that I have this left side. I've left the majority of my rope on the right and then just a little bit on the left. And I'm just going to wrap this 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Now on this 4th time, you can see my rope is kind of wrapped around here. I'm now going to bring this down, and you're going to notice that this creates an X. From this original piece that I was holding, I have this nice little X right here. I'm just simply taking this longer end behind my climbing rope, and then I'm going to go inside this X, so right through the middle of this X in front of the climbing rope. And as soon as I do that, when I pull this through, I now have my Cornell's hitch, and this is going to be my safety hitch for climbing. Now I'm going to tighten this all up a little bit so everything cinches, and you're going to see how this thing works. So let me bring this down, and the first thing I'm doing here, and actually before I even do that, let me just show you on the rope itself. So once you get this kind of set and you just kind of tend it, you want to make sure that both of these loops are even, because these are going to go over your carabiner as the backup. But what's so nice about this knot is from the top, I can put pressure on this top loop and move it down the rope. But also, as the Mad Rock is moving up, it will move this with it, right? It's going to tend from the bottom or the top and allow you to move this up or down. So you can keep this set up safely tied and backing up your Mad Rock the entire time. Whether you're going up or down, it's going to just move up and down the rope for you. So with that said, let me attach this here. And so all I'm doing is just right in front of my Mad Rock, I'm putting both of those loops, locking my carabiner. So now I have my Mad Rock attached to my rope, just like it is intended to be. But on top of that Mad Rock, I have this safety knot riding along. And again, this is called a Cornell hitch. And again, this thing can be tended easily down or move up the rope as you go. And it's just really, really easy to maneuver with and have that extra safety. When this thing is underweight, you are not moving it. I can hang my entire weight on this, and I'm going to show you this. So just as an example here, say we're up at height here and I'm on this hitch. Now let me let some rope out like I'm rappelling, right? You can see that thing stretching out. Now I am putting my weight on. Look at this. This rope is completely loose. I have nothing in the mad rock. This hitch, and I am bouncing on this thing. This is holding my entire weight up on the rope. Now I'm obviously at ground level, so this is just an example, but that's exactly what this hitch is designed to do, to catch. Now if I want to move this, I can move this, right? I can work this thing down real slow. If I let go, it's gonna catch again. But even with my weight on it, I'm able to move it. And you can see each time I move that, if I let go, it's gonna catch. And that's so important, because there's a lot of these style hitches that will get stuck under pressure, and now you're stuck in the tree, you're not going anywhere. So anyways, really powerful hitch. Now let's look at this from the other perspective. So now I'm bringing this up. This will move up with you along the rope. And then again, if it drops, it catches. It's so simple. It's such a nice, easy little safety thing that you can do just to protect yourself. These Mad Rock safeguards are so popular and so awesome. They make the climbing and the rappelling really easy, but it's also a point of failure. And so, I mean, why not? For whatever this, 15, 20 bucks to get this little length of cord, learn how to tie this knot and save yourself from falling out of a tree, because there's no reason, right? This thing is an excellent option for safety. If you guys have any questions about this knot, let me know. I wanted to make this quick little video because a bunch of people were asking about, what was that hitch? What was the knot? How do you tie that? Where do you get the cord, etc.? And it's really a simple thing, but I don't think you should climb without it. So again, thanks for watching as always. We'll see you on the next one.